Hello all, this is Dr. Ambika and I welcome you all to my channel Health and Fitness with Dr. Ambika. During this COVID-19 pandemic, many people are concerned about maintaining good oral health and reducing their need for additional dental appointments. In this video, I will tell you all about foods that will improve your oral health. Our body is a complex machine. The foods you choose and how often you eat them can affect your general health and the health of your teeth and gums too. For healthy living and for healthy teeth and gums, think before you eat and drink. Fruits and vegetables help produce saliva, removing leftover food particles. According to the American Dental Association, many healthy foods help your teeth stay strong and help your mouth clear bacteria and acid from your teeth. What should I eat and drink to ensure good oral health? Greens are beneficial prebiotics within the mouth that healthy oral bacteria feed on. In contrast to high carbohydrate foods, leafy greens help the mouth produce more nitrite reducing bacteria. In turn, your mouth and cardiovascular system benefit from an increase in nitric oxide. As it's high in minerals, it helps in uptake during remineralization to strengthen their structure. Good examples of these include kale, spinach, turnip greens, etc. Fresh, leafy vegetables are a rich source of fiber that is good for oral health. Not only will leafy greens leave your teeth feeling cleaner, but they'll also actively support a healthier oral microbiome. Grass-fed dairy products provide the body with vitamin K2, which is an important nutrient for healthy teeth. Therefore, include cheese and butter in your meals is a good habit. Dairy products like cheese, yogurt, milk encourage your body to produce more saliva, protecting your teeth. Cheese and yogurt are high in calcium and protein, which helps strengthen your teeth. Also, yogurt contains probiotics or beneficial bacteria for your digestive system. Just remember to choose unsweetened or sugar-free yogurt and add a touch of sweetener or honey yourself. Suppose you are sensitive or allergic to red dairy. In that case, you find calcium and protein fortified nut milk like almond, soy or cashew milk. While acidic foods can have a negative effect on teeth, grapefruit and oranges and other citrus fruits can actually benefit oral health when eaten in moderation. Both grapefruit and oranges contain high levels of vitamin C, which strengthens the blood vessels and connective tissues within the mouth. It slows the progression of gum inflammation that could otherwise lead to gum diseases. Just 2 weeks of daily grapefruit consumption can improve the vitamin C levels in your body and hence reduce bleeding gums. Instead of grabbing a candy bar or a dessert, if you have a sweet tooth, eat an apple instead. Apples provide hydration and fiber for your body. By replacing sugary treats with apples, you are promoting good saliva production. Celery helps clean your teeth because the texture can scrape leftover food particles and bacteria away from your teeth. Carrots and celery are a great source of fiber, vitamin C and vitamin A. Add raw carrots to a salad or enjoy some baby carrots as a snack. Unsweetened black and green teas provide plaque-fighting ingredients. Almonds are great for your teeth because they are a good source of calcium and protein while being low in sugar. Lean proteins like meat, fish, poultry and tofu have phosphorus and protein to keep teeth healthy. Nuts contain protein and minerals important for overall health. In addition, nuts that are low in carbohydrates don't add the risk of cavity formation because tooth decay is caused by acid producing bacteria that are activated by carbs. Another benefit is that chewing nuts stimulates saliva production, which can reduce your risk for tooth decay. Vitamin D is necessary for nearly every system of the body, but one of its lesser known benefits is its ability to reduce the risk of tooth decay. vitamin D works synergistically with vitamin A and K2 to deliver calcium to the teeth, strengthening enamel from the inside out. A deficiency of this can lead to weakening of enamel. Omega-3 fats support gum health and may even help prevent and reduce symptoms of periodontitis. In other words, if your gums regularly bleed when brushing or flossing, consider upping your omega-3 intake to reduce inflammation and bleeding. Fluoride plays a vital role in building strong teeth and bones. This is why we add fluoride to toothpaste and water. Choosing fluoride toothpaste or eating food with fluoride help your teeth absorb this mineral, allowing the fluoride to make your teeth acid resistant. Most seafood is a good source of fluoride. Water is a great cleanser. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day can help eliminate dry mouth by keeping your mouth moist to prevent the bacteria that can lead to cavities, gum diseases or bad breath. Not only this, drinking water after every meal is advised by dental experts because it helps washing down the remnants of sticky or acidic food items in your mouth. Chewing sugar-free gums, especially after meal, keep the flow of saliva going. You all must be thinking now, what about snacks and sweets? So, American Dental Association recommends limiting snacks between meals. Typical snacks foods are high in sugar. Frequent eating of these foods increases the amount of time you expose your teeth to the harmful effects of sugar, while decreasing saliva's ability to neutralize the tooth-damaging acids. Bacteria uses sugar as a fuel that gets converted into acids. This means that those food will continue to harm your teeth long after you have finished eating them. When deciding on a snack, opt for some of the foods like almonds, cheese, fruits, vegetables, etc. Adding these foods in your diet can make a difference for your oral health. Thank you.